English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. Honorable Chairman Sir, I thank you for giving me time to speak on the railway budget. I congratulate and give compliments to the Railway Minister for placing status paper before this house and the country because in that he has assessed the actual position of railway in a bold and dynamic way. Today, what is the condition of railway in the country? Who is responsible for this condition and what has happened in those 50 years? Information about all those things should reach the people during those 50 years who ruled this country, who was in power. Is it not true that we have inherited 80% of the present infrastructure of railways from Britishers? In those 50 years, only 9,125 kilometers of railway line has been added. It come to an early growth of only 0.5%. Not only this, he has been quite forthright in many things. For instance, announcements are made, but they are not implemented today. There are many ongoing projects of the value of rupees 35,000 crore. From where will this money comes? Suggestion and criticism come from all sides, but people do not want to face the reality. When the railway minister said that he will give priority to those projects which are near completion or which will start fetching income on completion, members created furore in the house. He has also said that they will not take up those projects in which money has to be spent every year because after that they have to give interest on that amount. In this way, project cannot be completed. After that, he assured the house that next year they would take up small projects of the value of rupees 1-2 crores only. We are not in favor of clipping after congratulating each other. State railway minister deserves congratulations for this also. He said that more attention should be paid to electrification. The second thing which he has said is about construction of bridge over mighty river. He has said that the speed of Rajdhani Express will be increased and system of computerized reservation will be further extended to cover other places also. All those things which are mentioned in the state papers are reflected in the budget also. In 1997-98 the plan outlay with rupees 8300 crores. This has been increased to rupees 9500 crores, which is 14.5% more.